Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Google Maps on your phone or browser and signing in if you want saved preferences. Once done, make sure location access is enabled so the map can center on you. This speeds later steps. Tap or click the map to wake controls and look for the layers or map type icon, usually a stack or diamond. This is the control you'll use next to switch views. Go ahead and open it now so you're ready for the satellite option. Now that the map type menu is open, choose satellite to replace the default map with aerial imagery. You can also enable labels so roads and place names remain visible. These help when orienting yourself. Once satellite mode is active, use pinch gestures on mobile or the mouse scroll wheel on desktop to zoom, drag to reposition. If you need an oblique perspective, use tilt gestures or the 3D button where available. This step turns flat map. Finish by fine-tuning zoom and tilt so the satellite image shows the area you need. On desktop, hold Shift and drag to tilt. On mobile, use 2 fingers. To keep this view handy, save the spot with a star or label in your account. If satellite tiles aren't loading, first check your internet connection, then make sure data or high-quality imagery settings aren't disabled. And finally clear the app cache or reload the page. These fixes resolve most display issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.